Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera model. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to drive a Lamborghini correct way. Okay, so first of all you need to know where's the gear lever, how to start the engine like this, and okay, here you can see this is the handbrake. Okay, so here the steering wheel, and you can see this is the downshift. Okay, and this side you can see the upshift. Okay, this is the key. So I'm going to start my Lamborghini. Okay, ignition on, then I start. Okay, alright, now you can see the meter panel. You can see this is the full level, the speedometer, then RPM, and the temperature. Okay, this is the steering wheel. So now this is the like I say, downshift and the upshift. So first of all, now this you can see vehicle in the neutral position. This is the reverse button. Okay, first of all I'm going to show you how to reverse. You can see have two pedals. This is the brake and this is the accelerator. Okay, first you push the brake, then put the reverse button. Okay, here now you can see reverse gear engage. Okay, now put down the handbrake. Slowly you can give the accelerator, so you can see vehicle moving. Okay, now how to drive forward. Here you can see upshift, because this one don't have the gear lever. So push the brake, upshift one side. Okay, now you can see here dashboard, we are in the first gear. Okay, now slowly give the accelerator. So like this you can go forward and you can go backward. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to neutral the vehicle. Okay, in the neutral position we need both hands. This is the downshift, upshift. Press the brake and the both same time. Yeah, like this. Now vehicle back to the neutral position. Okay, then push the handbrake. Okay, this is the process, basic process how to drive a Lamborghini. So this process is same like the Ferrari. So now if you learn something, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. See you in the next video.